This is stateroom 8524 on the Disney Destiny, and it is a veranda stateroom, ocean view veranda stateroom. Has a split bathroom, and it is Raya and the Last Dragon theme. It's a sea day here. This stateroom only sleeps 3 because there is no pull down in this one. And that's it.